Whoa, what do we have here? Oh my God.
I told you I got an NSX.
You weren't kidding.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's turbo, but it's got some kind of like...
This is the Acura one, right?
Yes.
This thing's nice.
I think it's really nice.
It looks in great. I love the center console.
It needs wheels, but it's very hard to drive.
What do you mean?
It's got like this wild like dog racing clutch thing on it, and I stalled it 3 times already.
Oh, yeah, it just came off the truck. Dude,
I can't even, it's impossible for me to drive this car, but we're gonna try. We'll take it around the block. Oh boy! That's all spinning.
Jeez.
That's all tire. I'm gonna go easy on it because it was just raining.
Wow. It sounds great. It's fast.
I mean, I'm going easy on it, so just let me get used to it.
Wow.
See, it has a traction. See TCS right there? Where? Right there, see TCS? So there's gotta be a button for the traction control in here somewhere. Maybe it was here. I don't know. Okay, it's better that it's warm now.
Jeez. Oh my goodness. Guys, this thing is insane.
It's so fun. I love it. It's hard, sorry. First JDM car, Darren, what do you think?
You want an NSX?
Yeah.
Ah, let me see.
What's up, Darren?
What's up,
What
man?
up, bro?
Long time no see.
Yes, sir. Guys, you guys
It's a
remember
turbo.
Darren?
It's turbo?
Yeah, that's why it's kind of catching it.
It sounds so good. Damn. Sheesh, is the NSX or the Skyline the move?
I don't know, dude.
That's the question.
NSX is sick. You know, this is like the real, like, this is a supercar, right?
Of the
And when it came
back
out,
of the
it
day,
had
yeah.
250 horsepower. So it wasn't like super car-ish. But now, with this car with 600 horsepower, I mean, go get me a Ferrari 355 and let's talk about it, you know? Like, this car's gonna smack, right? But stock to stock, I mean, the 355 versus this car, it was pretty comparable. And to be honest, this is really more compared to the 348. So, this car destroys the 348.
All right, everybody, as you can see in my hand is the one chip challenge. Tony, are you gonna take the chip challenge?
Crazy?
I know who is. Dre?
Is he?
Dre must hate himself because he loves to eat the spiciest of the spicy.
I think Dre has internal issues because I think he loves himself on the outside, but apparently his insides don't like him, and I don't think he likes his insides.
It has the Carolina Reaper and Scorpion Pepper. You think this is gonna be hotter than Houston's Hot Chicken? We have a problem?
I don't know. So I tried the Houston We Have a Problem one time, and it was awful. It was awfully hot. It tasted really good. That's what got me 3 bites in. But as far as the heat level, way too hot. Way too hot. I can only imagine what that's gonna be. I saw Shaq do that, and Shaq's like, he's pretty well inclined with food, and I don't know, man. That's too hot for me. I said I like my insides.
It's hot.
For those who don't know, my name is Dre. Andre, full name, but everybody calls me Dre, you know. Booking agent here at Royalty Exotic Cars.
AKA the Spice King.
Spice King, yes. If you've seen the Houston's Hot Chicken grand opening video, one of the Spice Kings, and we got the one chip challenge. We're gonna see how I can react to this because I've never done this before. Reaper. I don't know, man, but I got a little water to prepare myself, and we're gonna see how this go, man. If I don't make it, Mama, I love you. Got a one chip challenge. Man, this is crazy. Oh yeah, that's definitely hot.
That
Oh,
looks
that.
spicy.
That boy.
Oh,
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I told you. I told you it's all powder. What's wrong with you?
put it down, Trey.
What is the challenge?
To eat the
Just
chip.
Eat the
eat
chip, yeah. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, it was a lot of powder on there though.
Yeah, that's all it is, baby.
But you know me. Spicy, I'm like Shaq, you know. Tell them where I'm from, Tony.
Somewhere not smart.
This don't make no difference to me, man.
Okay, I'm cool. Tough guy.
Look at the camera.
I'm cool, man.
All
Nah,
right,
for
take
real.
a seat. Take a seat. Take
It's,
a seat. Let's see how long you can go right now.
No water. Damn, my nose is running already. 1 through 10, it's an 11. It's a lot of powder. Ah, shit. It's like all in your tongue, in the back.
Is it getting worse?
Yeah, the more you breathe, I'm like about to drool.
I'm so sorry. I'm laughing.
Ah, damn. Cut. Nobody ever tried that. I don't care what they say. It's legit. It's definitely legit.